before we get into this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about Ana Luisa. They are back again. I absolutely love their jewelry. Like, most of my jewelry is from them. All my necklaces right now are from Ana Luisa. I teamed up with them to talk to you guys about their Black Friday sale. So Black Friday is coming up. With everything going on right now, shopping online is a really great way to get your sales, your deals, and some future Christmas presents or holiday presents, whatever you celebrate. So they're having a really awesome Black Friday sale that you guys must check out. They sent me a few pieces to talk about, just to maybe you guys want to try them out when you can get them on sale. Ana Luisa is a really amazing brand. This is my second time working with them, so I obviously really adore them. I wear and love all their pieces. I wear them working out, in the shower, sleeping. I never take them off. I'm a kind of girl where once my jewelry's on, like, it's on. I don't like taking jewelry off ever. I feel naked without it, and it's still so shiny, lasts so well, and it's just so beautiful. From if you are more of a dainty gal or if you want a more standout piece of jewelry, you can find everything there. One thing that's really awesome about them is they're a super sustainable jewelry brand. They're very carbon neutral. First of all, I got this middle necklace here. It is just a simple, dainty gold necklace. I love pairing it with my other two Ana Luisa necklaces. I think it's a really great look, but you totally could just pair this on its own for a simple, nice, elegant look. I'm just really into the layered look right now. So the Joe Gold necklace is only $75. So next I got these little huggies in my first haul. I've been looking for huggies like this for so long. They fit my ear perfectly. So these are called the mini huggy hoops. They retail for $90. So once again, a really fair price for an item that you can wear every day however you want. And lastly, I got this gorgeous ring. This is the Everly ring. It retails at $90. I just think it's so elegant and classy, like a really staple piece. It just makes me feel very mature and really the style I'm looking for. It has, like I said, I wear these holding weights working out. There's no scratches. It's so shiny. Go check out their Black Friday sale. I'll have a link down below that you can use to go see what the sale options are. Guys, I literally just woke up at 6:15. Wow, I slept so good. I literally passed out. I must have been so tired.
Just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window, and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes, I visualize what will come and what is past. But Mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long. I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot. Shot out of bed into the tip top. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams away.
45-minute city comings. Can you see how excited I am?
And so I say goodbye to the shadows as morning breaks to noon. Another day I'm living another.
Alrighty guys, leg workout complete. It was actually, whoa, what is with my voice? It was actually really good. I just threw on the bottom half. I'm gonna put on my sweatsuit to go for a walk with my mom, but I'm still kind of sweaty, so just the top half right now. But yeah, pro tip, you guys have probably noticed I work out in my pajamas most days, so I recommend wearing pajamas that you can work out in, because it really helps me, because then I just literally like get out of bed into my workout, and it's less time like in between procrastinating and decide not to work out. So yeah, but let's go. There you go. Wow. When did you do this?
When?
Like just now? Oh, you're super fast. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Mama's gone and the papa's off in Decatur.
Breakfast this morning is a loaded smoothie bowl. I always choose too small of a bowl, but so yeah. All right, I just, excuse me, I just devoured that smoothie bowl. It was so good. Now freezing, of course. I am going to do my hair because this is disgusting. Morning, I need to film. I need to go out and grab my mom's, excuse me, grab my mom's dessert. Grab my mom's dessert and get gift wrapping for her present, and then tonight is her birthday dinner. Because today's her birthday. If I ever mentioned that, that's why I made her breakfast and all that stuff. Most importantly, I'm so excited. I'm seeing Kathryn today. And I'm so excited. Yes, I literally saw her on Friday and it's Monday, but I feel like it's been ages and I miss her a lot. So, going to her place and we're going to bake and maybe watch a movie.
Well, you got heart, you got soul, you got everything I know wrapped around your finger.
Hair's done. Just, you know what I do. Straighten, curl, wave. I don't know. But I need to figure out what I want to wear today because I'm going to Kathryn's, and right from Kathryn's it's into my mom's B-Day dinner, so I can't really wear a tracksuit as much as I wish I could. Okay, here's the outfit I decided on. It is just this little sweater from Brandy, which I always forget about and never wear, but it's cute. Update, it's 11:06 a.m. I just filmed and now I am editing the video. I just have to do the final thing and then I can export and upload it, which is great. It ended up being way longer than I thought. I guess I can rant about books for quite some time, which is fine, so hopefully you guys like that. Yeah, and then I will go get my mom's dessert, which I don't know what it is, but we will find that out together, and then I'll wrap her present, and then I'll probably be seeing Kathryn soon after, and I'm so excited. I just threw on these little boots. Normally I wear white Vans, but my feet are really cold, so I just threw on these boots. And I'm gonna put my teddy jacket on, obviously, but let's go run some errands. We always love Sweet Earth's treats for any celebration, so I got the vegan dairy-free espresso cheesecake. It was either this or they had cupcakes, but I just feel like you need like a slice of something. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure we've had this one before. I'm not quite sure, but it's like egg-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, all the good stuff, and she loves coffee, so I feel like it's a good match for her. So the card is perfect. It says, here's to aging gratefully, like wine. Pretty much everything improves when you add wine, especially birthdays. Have a good one. So perfect for mom. And then I just got this bag. It says happy birthday. And it has a bunch of candles on it. I thought it was cute. So those are the goodies I needed. It's 11:45, so I'm gonna go back home now. Hi, sir. Ready? Ding. Off to see Kathryn. We're making peanut butter cookie bars. Of course, naturally. We love peanut butter. Oh yeah, I'm here. We're just hanging out and baking, and I'm really excited. And we're gonna start with these and then see where it goes. But probably bake a lot more. This one intrigued us the most. Let's start.
The most important part. Peanut butter.
Oh, yours is peanut butter too.
It's so good. The covers are so full.
Oh, mine are too.
So fun. Coconut oil.
Yeah. You're like doing a little twist. Do you have chocolate loblaws? Where are you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I was like, because this is all I have too.
Yes, Loblaws cake.
So cute. So she's a little dry.
And we followed the recipe exactly how you're supposed to.
Maybe we'll just like just gauge it. Just like pour some mix, see how it goes. Is that? Yeah, it's okay.
Oh my god, I dropped the lid for the vanilla.
Good thing we caught it.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
I was so confused what that little different was. I was like, what is that? Oh my god, it looks so good. It smells so good.
Slice.
Oh yeah.
It's big.
Ooh, look at that layer.
Oh, damn. Okay, we did good.
It's pretty good.
But it's, and I know you don't want to go for a drive, so you just lost your ball. Is that the problem?
Go for it.
Oh gosh.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Oh yeah, that's a good texture.
Taste test. Try and rehydrate it in a container.
Kelly, what is it?
It's not your toy. It's on the TV.
He's like, what? Wow, you're looking right at the camera. Aren't you sleepy? Home now. I just made this little cheese board for my grandma. I never ate a little lunch because I never got hungry before I left. So right now I'm just making some avocado toast because we're eating dinner soonish. So I don't want to like eat too much. But I just, honestly, I just ate a bunch of carrots and hummus. And now I'm just gonna have some avocado toast. There she is, ladies and gents. Can I help you?
Love you, Mommy. I got money. Did you give me $60?
What's it say?
Here's to aging gratefully. Mackenzie got me the cheese board thing at the... Where did we see this? At Loblaws?
But I got it at Indigo.
At Indigo. Is that where we saw it?
We saw it at Loblaws, but I thought that one was nicer.
Oh, it's pretty.
Because
so
you-
instead of using this plate, we'll put this out.
Because you're like,
Nice.
you're like, I'm not gonna use it, but that's why you get it as a present.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you? Bump on it.
Alright, blow it out there.
I'm one. And my wish is...
You can't tell us.
No, don't kick me out. Oh.
Hey! Woo!
8:32. We just finished up my mom's birthday dinner. It was so good. We ordered Cactus Cafe. I got a bowl with tofu. I had 2 glasses of rosé, and then we had an espresso cheesecake for dinner. And it was, or for dessert. It's so good. Now I'm just going to relax and go on TikTok and honestly go to bed. I'm really tired. So see you in It's Tuesday, October 27th. It's like 5:45. I'm about to journal and read. I have loose plans today, so we'll really just see where the day takes us. I don't really know, but yeah. Good morning. Welcome to the best part of the day. Not gonna lie, I didn't make the coffee very great, but I don't feel like Keurig coffee, so I'm just gonna drink it.
I don't know your name, but can I call you Mona Lisa? I cannot put your picture on my wall.
Sammy Clark complete sweatsuit on. I think I might, whoa, weird. I think I'm gonna self-tan. Back from my walk, I just made my mango mint smoothie. It's very large today, but it's never a bad thing. And I'm gonna watch Dancing with the Stars since I didn't get to last night. And that's my morning. Hi guys, long time no talk. So it's 11:06 now. I worked on, so I watched Dancing with the Stars and then I wrote a blog post. Now I am just looking over my future weeks of school and seeing what I need to get
done in the weeks coming up, like just planning ahead. Then I have a literally 5-minute interview. They're just trying to get to know me for a job. So I have these Aritzia sweatpants and they always shrink and my dad washed them. So mom, I just gotta
This is how you fix
play a quick game of tug of war.
sweatpants.
I'm so ashamed.
Look how long they are, though. Look.
That's good. We'll have to do them with these ones too. And the sweater.
Yeah. Come on, Whippy.
No, we got long sweatpants.
Long sweatpants. Woo!
Did you hit your hand? Ouch. Mom's making salad. She's making the socially Sue salad, which consists of whatever needs to be used in the fridge. And yeah, I really, really, really want the job I just interviewed for, so I'm manifesting that I'm gonna work there. And yeah. Do you have any idea what you want to do today?
Well, we'll probably just go shopping.
But where should we shop?
Sure way. Where else would we shop?
We could go like downtown. See, I knew she wouldn't want to go downtown.
Soon, girl, I just wanna know.
This is the part of the video where Mackenzie has a little bit of a mental breakdown, so she's gonna go on a nice long walk. Back from my walk, it started raining, so I'm a little bit wet, but that's okay. I feel a little bit better now, but yeah, I always recommend, for me at least, it just really helps me to get outside and just like unplug. I mean, I listen to a podcast, but I like turn my data off and my cell service off so I can't hear anything or get any notifications, and I just listen to a podcast. But yeah, I feel a bit better, and Alright guys, so it's been a while. It's now 7:15. I have just been having not a good day. My mental space has not been it. But I bought a pumpkin. I'm home alone. And I figure, you know what would make me feel better? I'm carving a pumpkin. I rented Into the Woods, that's kind of like Halloween-y. And we're just gonna have a little fun night to ourselves. So yeah. We got our array of knives, our guts bowl, and here we are, the movie.
Don't come to me